Let's take a look at the post office. Korea has a really well-developed delivery system. If you want to send a parcel, this video will be very helpful. Shall we take a look? First, you need to pack the package that you want to send. The document envelopes and shipping boxes are displayed at the post office, and they can be paid for together with the shipping fee later. The packaging station for the shipping box comes equipped with various office supplies, such as box tape, scissors, and glue. Once the item is packed, you need to write the address. As you can see in the picture, you should write your personal information in the upper left corner and the recipient's personal information in the lower right corner. The important thing to note is that in Korea, addresses are written from larger units to smaller ones. That is, write it in the order of city, province, district, neighborhood, building, name, unit, number. Once you've written the address correctly, attach it to the envelope or box. Now you've packed the package and written the address, you need to take a number. When you get your number, you just need to patiently wait for your turn. When your number is called, bring your number tag to the counter staff. In Korea, delivery fees are mainly calculated based on distance and weight. Finally, we're done sending the package. How was it? Wasn't it difficult? I'll come back with another topic next time. Goodbye.